Good evening guys. In this video today I'm going to show you how to block the first row Excel. Like if you make it in a format and in the first row you want to block that all the headlines you will block, I will show you in this video how to block your first row. Well guys, so to block or freeze your first row or the headline, you have to go to view option, like this is view, and then you have to go here. This is called freeze pans and freeze rows. So before that I will show you something. If you see in this worksheet, if I move this up and down, everything is going, the first row is going up, I cannot see it anymore, and then if I take it up, then it's coming back. But now what I want is, I want this column, this row to do not move. So in this case what I have to do, I have to just go here in the freeze pans, and then you can just say freeze the top row. Now when I say freeze the top row, you will see when I move this one, this first row is not moving anymore, only the workplace what I worked here, it's moving. Okay, so that's easy how it is to block or freeze your first row. And then again, if you want to unblock it or unfreeze it, you just go here and you say unfreeze pans. Now you will see again, if I'm moving, that headlines is moving also. Thank you very much guys.